How to fix Cash App can't link card. At this time error. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, make sure you tap on this one here at the top right corner of the screen. It is the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various other options. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you are at the bottom of the page, look for an option named Support. Here it is, make sure you tap on it. Wait for the page to finish loading. This is the support page of Cash App. On this page, different options can help manage and make changes to different settings of your account. It can also help you find solutions to problems you face on the app. From the options that are here, scroll down and tap on this option here named Adding Money. On the Adding Money page, there are other options as you can see here. From those options, the one we need is this one here named Add Money. You will then be taken to this other page where there are options related to adding money. From them, the one we need is this one here. Make sure you tap on it just like you can see here. After that, this other page will appear where they are trying to suggest possible solutions to the issue. So scroll them, and depending on whether it is a credit or debit card, make sure you tap on the one you have an issue with linking. After that, this other page appears where the Cash App is trying to show us steps to solve the issue. Most probably, we have tried all this and nothing worked, so all you have to do is to come to the bottom of the page and then tap on this option named Chat. It is under the Contact us section. This feedback will appear where you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the problem. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error.